Time to do homework. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're not gonna know that I wrote it wrong. Isn't this the character for death? Am I fucking crazy? I've written a little bit of kanji. This isn't totally foreign of a concept. 4 times. Fuck. 20. Fuck. No, guys, give me the answers. What's 9 times 7? Shit, man. What's 9 times 7? 63. Yeah, that sounds right. 3 times 9. It's not 30. 30 minus 3 is 27. 2 times 5 is 10. So then add on 2 zeros. Alright, 11 times 11 is a number. What number is it, guys? 121? I don't even know how to start this problem. I forget if you do multiplication or the pluses and minuses first. What's the answer? 15? Thanks, guys. Hey, finished my homework. My sister would be so... I'm going to bed. Fuck that. Did you see that? Tama?